It doesn't work like a briefcase.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what it doesn't blast like a briefcase.
Okay.
So that the sling bag is like a what you call it? It's a magic bag.
Okay.
We can call it like that. So people, when they say sling bag, because of you
hang it. Yeah?
You hang it like this.
Okay.
That's why they say sling bag.
Dumelang Abusheni, welcome to Zoho TV. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. I am your host with the most, Kabelo Khosi wa Khakhatle, Maloma Udirile Bonolo Le Karabo. Guys, 2025, I'm already back. If vacation if you can call it that. But honestly speaking, I was just slacking, busy, all those other things. Nyangamuni, people asking me, Prof, where's the big two? Nebuyani, we're back. He's here, I'm here. Prof, welcome back to Zoho TV 2025.
Yes, injalo le ndaba ngithi iprofessor CM Lekhuleni inyanga munyanga kuti kota inyanga yakutwisisa inyanga yakubhashisha ngqondo inyanga yangachavi nchumu bafowethu ngiyasho nanyalo ngithi tambule nyoka hey lihlabo zondayo ngisho njalo ngithi uzozonda uzuthande hayi brakhepi nginayo le ndoda lena bafowethu ngithi mina naye sahlanganisa idlozi ahlanganisa ngabantu bafowethu sahlanganisa idlozi kanti nenhliziyo zethu ziyahlangana ngithanda kakhulu malume kawudirile bunolo Karabo hayi shaka
100%.
yeah.
All right. Guys, just a couple of announcements. Before we start, okay, guys, just a couple of announcements. The first one, guys, Prof 1 Inyangayam, Prof 2 is a guest on my channel. Prof actually Brian as Puzi song as Pum senze loses whatever. Mangzala inhloko yami iso just because ngibona ngihleka ecamereni nami ngizala ngifana nawe okay ngiza ngenkathi zami ngizothatha into zami kanjani so ungangifonela uthi ngihambe ngiyotshela uprof ukuthi wena uzoza next week or unginika ama message aka prof ngathi ngi-still boy or ngisebenzela uprof angisebenzeli uprof guys I'm just nami ngipatient njengani number 1 and number 2 I'm just a person or hoster uprof on my channel ukuthi la yazi ngisendleleni ngicela uye kuprof umtshela ukuthi ngizofika ngo2 kanjani niyazi ukuthi guys I get very very angry when you do this so please guys stop telling me ukuthi the only thing you can do is to call to verify there's this person this number angithembi there's this thing uprof uzobuyana is prof in the country all those things that 100% but ungathi uyangithuma ukuthi ngiyotshela uprof ukuthi wena uzofika la unless if you are coming to Prof via me. Abantu bami, I'm a one-on-one, you know, you are my VIPs. Everything you ask, I oblige. But when I'm walking off the street, I was no was young funnel. So young demand outing I 1, 2, 3, Prof. I say ganja. So that's just one announcement. But anyway, I come in peace. Angel, you guys know I love you. Yeah, Prof. 2025. What do you have for the people briefly? I'm going to brief. What should people expect? Because you've killed the briefcase, you've killed the contract. Will you be replacing those things? Usiriano Hambile, thank God. Guno Charlie, will Charlie be extended? All those other issues people want to know.
Siyabonga Brakebi. Truly speaking does not break any friendship as part of the shop. Injalo le ndaba Brakebi yonke into iyovuselelwa ezinkhuluma bathandi beTsoho TV. Into engiyithandayo mina ngami iqiniso enginalo nokuthi wena Brakebi angifuni ukubona abantu bakithi bahlukumezeka noma balimala so ngifuna ukuthi kubalandeli nabathandi beTsoho TV yes Charlie izo extendwa until further noticed ngizokubuya futhi ku Tsoho TV ngisho ukuthi lokhu nalokho number 2 is briefcase is no more ayisekho noma ungayibukela ivideo ye briefcase ayisekho ne-contract ungayibukela ayisekho nhlobo i-contract i-replacewa i-casket so lapha amanye amandla yingako imali yakhona ingehla kundlula i-briefcase I mean kundlula i-contract then i-Siriana ngimdestroyile vele because vele from the start bekungasiyinto yomuntu bekuyinto yabantu abaspecific engibaziyo so abantu ngokukhala nawe waze wakhala wathi mara prof ungabaphi labantu so ngoba kunabantu abanga understand so I have destroyed it ayisekho uCharlie extendela for those people abafuna lento leyo ukuthi baba kanjani but further notice for now I didn't see any problem ngoCharlie as aqala manje ngoJanuary because remember simqalela last year sikhuluma but beku specific wa 2025 so uye ovala yonke into leyo nomuntu othi professor 2025 bengino Siriana kangisebenzelanga don't stress futhi ungawara nginamona mina ngizumuntu othanda imali buya ne 5000 ngizo eda mandla ngifakela uCharlie uhambe uyophila izane 5000 rand buye ngiedele ngunika uCharlie uyophila wazi ukuthi mara ngisho uCharlie bahluka kunalo wa 25 kunalo wa 50 so and then 25 mangichaza njalo mangithi 50 ngikazi ukuthi kune deposit ka 50 kune deposit ka 25 so ngokusho njalo wena mawufuna ukuthi no prof ngifuna uku-add lapha nganginomuntu so you add whatever ungathi hayi ngifuna lo wa 50 but utest ku 5000 yabazi abantu bakithi musa so nina beniphethe bo Siriana enithi nani nifuna buya nalo 5000 add lapha onifuna uCharlie lo umkhulu izani nale mali eselele emuva bese ngiyanenzela into yenu nithathe nihambe niyophila ngoba mina ngifuna ukuthi kulonyaka njengokuthi unyaka wemusa year of grace is a year where everyone must live by grace and we with grace with having money and everything angasokoli ni lonyaka lwakufuna isikhale lonyaka lokufuna ukuthi makuthi lishona sibe sesimnandi ngiyabonga
okay nimzule ke uProf ukhuluma ngama grace year of grace kuTsogo TV as you guys know akuna grace la siya foster 2025 siya foster no grace no humility nothing siya foster
yeah
sikhahlele bathini isichapha siyangena
yeah
last year people were asking Sling Bag. Hey, I even got up to that level where someone's been telling it out. Prof, Sling Bag. What in years again? 2025. Nyangamuni unaso is Sling Bag.
Yes.
Can we talk about is Sling Bag and also explain to the people that don't know what is Sling Bag? Know what you are uskandile.
All right, Brakiping Yabonga. When we talk about this Sling Bag, it's Kulmanga Bag. Imali esheshayo noma imali eyophumelisayo umuntu uyihaga nje kuphela akhulume naye imenzele imanga so isling bag umuntu athi sling bag nyaka sling bag because of they have song others ngiyenzile bona yabaphumelelisa so but hayi vele thina sayifuna le yasifuna le yasayifuna le yasifuna le omunye kuze ngiyibuyise maybe ngibeke esithombeni kuwo wonke umuntu kulonyaka ingoba he said Prof I have dreamed abantu abadala bathi no le bheke oyiphe lo muntu omdzala kusiyo lekufuna umphe yona naye so I decided to no man let me just put because angeke umuntu ayiphuphe angayazi which means ihambisana remember kuprake being sebenzisana nani nidalwa yonke into yami ngiyenza ihambisane nabantu abadala so into yami wathi lo mbhuti wami ngiyamthanda hey mawuyibhekile ngiyabonga wathi kimi no mina ngiphuphe ibheke le hayi le uyiphe uma and akazi ukuthi nginika umama wakhe ini so ngathuka nami uthawu mara nomntwana ngiphuphela ngathi okay so kwaba kuhle ngokuthi noma ilento ingahambi ngekuqonda kwakhe wabuya naye umama wakhe no man prof ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe I have a dream. The dream, I saw you on my dream. I don't know you, but I saw you on my dream. And then I saw you give my mom a bag. And then that bag, they told me, no, it's not a good bag. He must give your mom this bag. So he bought the bag. He came with it. And they say, no, I know this bag. I have done it once. I've done it twice. but I never thought I must advertise it to people because of I thought maybe it's a small thing than a briefcase. So and then I said no, because of there's issues, you must use this one. So it's a person that I didn't know. He just came. Her mother came here, took a briefcase that maybe helped her, and then at the end said no, Prof, you must change this bag and give my mom this one because I have sewn it in my dream. And then I thought, no, it's good for me to give people this thing because of, and they have requested it. And then I was just playing hide and seek. Yes, that is why I was playing hide and seek until now. I decided, no man, let me give these people, because a lot of people, they have complaints. You see, when we work with people, you'll find a lot of complaints. But if you know what you are doing, you stay put, check what is good to give people.
Yes.
And advise those people, no man guys, you must not do this, you must do this, you must be patient. And then sometimes it's hard, Brakebi, to go to someone, but you don't trust in what is going to give you.
Yes.
So, and then it is difficult to work with people. So you need to be patient with them, and then I say, no, let me just give them the Sling Bag. Yes.
Okay, so manje, if Sia, if Jula manje, let me just summarize. So Sling Bag, it's part of Imali Shisha,
Yes.
All right, but this one happens in a bag.
Yes.
All right, sure. So sinama briefcase, aplastele kaya, snani. Sling Bag sisebenza kanjani in terms of ukuletha imali, just practical.
Sling Bag works in a different way. You can take it, go around with it in town, do whatever and come back. You can take it where you work in your business. You can attract money full in your Sling Bag. So some they use it and then they store it at home like a briefcase. So it doesn't have an exactly place to stay for it to work.
Okay.
You can move with it around and then it will work.
Okay. So it plaster even if you're walking.
Yes.
Or ungayibeka endlini.
Yes.
All right. But obviously if you work endlini, you might as well take something else because manje akusay Sling Bag.
Yes. Bag, yeah. Because Sling Bag you go around with it.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's pork.
Obvious.
All right. Number one. Number two. Is it something ngithathile yam or yaka Prof? Prof ungibolekile, and then I have a time frame ukuthi ngiyisebenzise ngibuyise. Yesami lesipoko.
Yes, that one is yours.
Okay.
Yeah, it's for your entire life.
Okay.
Unless when you passed away, maybe I can take it again.
Okay.
But it's yours.
It's okay. All right. So nhamba naso.
Yeah, I don't hire Sling Bag.
Okay.
Because I know, thanks for that question. Someone will say, no, Prof, I need to hire a Sling Bag. There's no hire.
No hiring. Okay. My experience and some of the stuff that you told me,
Yeah.
especially in plastic, there are physical dangers for some, which is why a briefcase we beg or harm in ngoba wangitshela ukuthi there's a danger if something blasts kuwe uyiphethe or around you or whatever. Why is this different ngokuthi iplaste ikini? Because I know ukuthi if lento lengaplastela kuwe ingakulimaza kanjani. Why is Sling Bag different from ezinye izinto eziplastela kude nawe and ingakulimaza?
I can put it this way, Brakebi. If you know Amasalamus, magic, something like that. If you know magic, have you experienced having a man on your pocket and then go to the shop and then when you came back, man, there was 20,000 on me, and then I just used 2,000. Where is the rest of the money? And then you search and I lost that money, not knowing. So this one, the different of it, like that one, it doesn't steal for black people. It's only stealing from the ones that they have insurance to cover their business.
Oh, okay.
Because of if you're going to use.
When I jump, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
No, sesifikile.
Okay.
No.
The-
I'm just talking about just
The different is because of it doesn't work like a briefcase.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's why it doesn't blast like a briefcase.
okay.
So that the sling bag is like a what you call it? It's a magic bag.
Okay.
We can call it like that.
Alright.
So people when they say sling bag, because of you
hang it. Yeah.
you hang it like this.
Okay.
That's why they say sling bag.
So ngeke ngilimaze my plastic.
No, it won't.
Okay. All right.
It doesn't have that power that briefcase has.
Okay. Quick question again. As I walk around in town, let's Georgie man. Silahlele bheke.
Yeah.
Sizoyaka lapho. All right. Fine. Ngifuna isling bag. What do I do? Ngiza la process until ngiphuma ngiki.
One, you buy the sling bag, you bring it, you leave it here for 3 days, you come back, and then we take it from there. You'll get your sling bag ready, and then we're going to we're going to bath you or cleanse you, because you can't give someone things you don't clean a person. Lot of people are complaining, why must we wash? I have washed so many times. I have steamed so many times. I have gaba so many times. I don't need those things. I just need that thing and go.
Yeah,
Guys, listen. You can't have something you didn't clean yourself. That thing is going to live with you for the rest of your life. So which means we must remove any impurity in your body. You understand? And then afterwards, we give you the thing, the medicine that works with the sling bag, or with any of the things that maybe you want to come across, want eat. You understand? But if you want a sling bag or you want a boy, say, why I'm buffing? The reason you are buffing, we remove every impurity that is in your body. You understand? Even the bad spirit or whatsoever, you sleep around, you understand? So we must do that thing so that when we give you those things, they will connect with you. You understand? I end up one day when a person comes and say, Prof, no, I don't want to bath. I say, okay, sharp, take and go. And then afterwards, you will phone crying. Hey, Prof, it's 3 weeks now. It's 1 month now. I say, no, man, you were in a hurry. So what are you expecting me to do because of you were in a hurry? You didn't want to follow all the process that is happening before we give you the sling bag. And then he said, Ishmael, Prof, forgive me. But you understand, Brakebi, it's like that.
Okay. Yangcaba?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Angangikuphi isipoko ngigaba.
Okay.
Akukhonakali isipoko Brakebi kuyafuna ngicaba ukuthi ngithathe igazi lakho nisifake naso nalomuthi waso. So that uma uhamba naso sifile ukuthi ngihamba nobaba noma ngihamba nomama ngisebenzela. But if ever ngizokufika ngithi mina, you understand?
Okay. All right. Obviously, how much?
Sling bag Brakebi sihamba kancane sithi 50 sona. Ngisho ukhumbula ukuthi i-briefcase is 80. Sithi 50, deposit 25.
Okay.
So sinamandla ukucishe so ne briefcase.
Okay. Any briefcase ayisekho?
Yeah.
Okay. The contract ayisekho?
Contract is normal. Briefcase is normal.
All right. So, guys, you heard Prof akhuluma nge-sling bag. This will be
Both channel.
both channels. This will be on both channels. Prof, siyabonga.
Thank you so much, Brakebi.